Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 21 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem asks us what product is formed when the esters in ginkgolide B, the chapter opening molecule, are hydrolyzed in aqueous acid. And we're asked to indicate the stereochemistry of all stereogenic centers. And so this is a fairly complex three-dimensional molecule. And so I started to draw the core of the molecule out just to cut down on, the length of time that I'm going to spend making this video. So I drew out the whole starting molecule as well. And so we're talking about hydrolyzing esters. And so the first thing to do would be to identify where the ester bonds are in this molecule. And so I'll indicate them in red. So there's going to be one here. There's going to be another one right here. And then there's going to be a third ester right here. And so when we talk about hydrolyzing these esters, those are where we're going to cut the molecule or break those bonds. And so the core of the molecule, as I've drawn it here, is not going to change. And all that is going to change is that in place of those esters connected together, we're going to have a carboxylic acid and an alcohol. And so for the first one, here we now have a carboxylic acid. And here, which was the other part of the ester in the starting material, we will have our alcohol. Okay, and so the other two esters are going to follow the exact same pattern. And so over here, where we had an ester, in starting material, we will have a carboxylic acid, and we will have an alcohol. Okay, and so as you might imagine, the third ester is going to follow this exact same pattern. And so here will be our carboxylic acid. And here will be our alcohol. Okay, and so that's it. That's what the product is going to look like. So again, nothing else about the starting molecule changes. It's just those three ester bonds that I've indicated with red that are going to be broken. And the final product is drawn here on the right. And that's the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 21.